What up, crypto traders? It's April 24th, well, 4 days, 4 or 5 days after the Bitcoin halving. And right now, we're not seeing really too much movement with Bitcoin. Halving was around here, around this date, April 19th. And so 19th, we were at a $65,000, um, around a $65,000 price for Bitcoin. And today, it looked like it took a huge dip. I didn't check in if there's any kind of Bitcoin news at all that would have targeted that. But, a lot of people, I read an article the other day how a lot of people were uh, saying that, people are going to be taking profits, during this time. And so maybe a lot of people bought in right here and realized all this profits from 61,000 all the way up to 66. And they're like, man, let's take some of these profits. This is awesome. But not knowing, the long term game of this. So I don't know if I could, let's go see if I could hit a 3 month. So let me move this out the way. Or that might be, oh yeah. So here we go. So here's a 3 month, and you realize, just 3 months ago, we were at a $40,000 um, price for Bitcoin. Now it's all the way up here. So that's when you're looking at the chart kind of in a micro level, you're going to be like, oh man, Bitcoin's kind of sucking right now. It did a drop. But really, 3 months ago, we were at 40,000. So we're still up $24,000, which is really cool. But what that did for, my profits as a bot trader. So I like doing bot trading, meaning I get a robot, a bot with a little program in it to trade for me. So I don't have to be at the computer all day. I'm actually in Albuquerque, New Mexico right now, enjoying some time with my family. And so I got no time to be at the computer. But look at a lot of these prices are out of range. Oh, looks like Bonk finally came back up. There it is. See? So it was down like that. Now it just back up, making some good profits again, which is really nice. It's all about patience, when it comes down to these bots and stuff. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, still half of my bots are out of range, meaning they're not making no money. So I'll click right here just to kind of show you guys. So when it's below this grid line that I set up, it's not making anything. And so now I just got to, it's a waiting game of just watching it do its thing to get back into those grid lines. And I'm not worried about any of these because I'm playing a very longer game. I'm not in it just for quick little profits. Looks like this one's almost back in there, which is nice. So that one will be making good profits. AVAX, let's see where AVAX is. So that one made its way back up, but it's just right at the bottom. These are all making minute by minute profits when they hit those grid lines. So this one, probably got to wait a little bit longer. It's still way below the grid line there. But with crypto, you never know. It could just jump right back up. Woo is making its way back up. Let's see, Tia coin, just slightly at the bottom, which is fine. And Ordi, let's see, Ordi, it was making its way up, but now it's going back down. But that's fine. This is what happens when it's in the grid lines. You can see it just making profits, selling and buying, selling and buying, selling and buying, selling and buying. Right now, portfolio now is at 38,934. So down about, $700 from yesterday, mainly with the Bitcoin drop that we just seen in the beginning of this video. My whole portfolio goes down. The highest it was at was at around 44,000 right here. So that was around 44,000 as a total USDT. And I'm excited for summer. My goal by summer is to get this to six figures. So let's by July, end of July, let's reach 100,000 with this strategy. And the end goal by the end of December 31st, 2024, 250,000 is the goal for this. And so I'm documenting my journey with you guys, so you can see. I got available balance here at the bottom before I close this video. I don't like having these videos too long, but We're at the close to $4,000 in profit right now that I could use, I could take, I could do whatever I want with. They really thinking about just reinvesting it back into another bot, activate another bot, because I could do 25 bots with this account and have it be making money. But that's how we're gonna grow is continue activating new bots and compounding this strategy. With that, hopefully you guys have a good day and make it a profitable day.